President, with all those complications of the NHI, the EFF once put a bill here in 2018,
Okay.
that let's open clinics for 24 hours. And unfortunately, the ANC rejected that. Our people cannot wait for postponement of the implementation of the NHI because they are sick now. They are not going to be sick in 2030. So we must be seen to be doing something now. Our people want clinics and health facilities that are in good condition, not a bread per house. People instead of implementing what is going to change the lives of our people, they are buying them with bread and not implementing what is going to change the lives of our people. Now that, President, you have been exposed to this, and especially George Mukari and many other facilities, Chelizini and everywhere else, are you going to support a proposal of the EFF that says, let the clinics be opened 24 hours, let the clinics be serviced and renovated and improved while we're still working on this long term? You just said yourself, it is in phases, it's complex, it's difficult. Worse, it has been taken to court. They can't take us to court for upgrading our own facilities. Some of them are there. So let's work on them now and make sure we improve the conditions and stop giving people bread in exchange for vote, but give them what will change their lives for better. Thanks very much.